Hey guys, welcome to another video. Sorry, I don't want to talk too loud right now, but Club Penguin gave me another code. Well, yeah, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. So let me just copy that and then go to membership. I'm so happy. Never mind that. Yeah, trail in the land. Hold on. Activate. Yeah, yeah. I'm so happy. Oh, thank you, Penguin, again. Yeah, you. Woo. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Those are fake nails. Oh, there you go. So paste that. Email address. Here. Yep. Thanks for doing the upload. We've sent an email confirming your redemption. Done. Okay. You sent an email over here. This is a reason and money. Penguin. For a little belief. Yeah. Play now. Yes, I'm a member again. This is gonna be the best week ever. Oh no, I should have activated it Sunday. Oh my gosh. Oh. Your 16-digit activation number is. Please keep the numbers in a safe place, as they will service your account should you contact Copingan in the future. Okay, bye.